In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extract YouTube search data from Looker Studio. By the end, you'll have your YouTube analytics data connected so you can surface search-related insights right inside your report. First, open Looker Studio. You may still see some references to Data Studio, but it's the same platform. Make sure you're signed into the Google account that has access to the YouTube channel you want to analyze. This prevents permission hiccups later. From the Looker Studio home, head to your reports area and open the report where you want to work. If you're starting from a template or an existing dashboard, that's fine. Once the report is open, switch into edit mode. This is essential because you can only add or modify data sources when you're editing, not when you're simply viewing. At the top toolbar, click Add Data. This opens the connector gallery, which is where Looker Studio links to different data sources. In the search bar, type YouTube Analytics. You'll see the official YouTube Analytics connector appear. Click it to proceed. Using the native connector ensures you get clean access to YouTube's standard dimensions and metrics without extra setup. When prompted to choose what to connect, select Channel. This tells Looker Studio to use your channel level data, which is where you'll find search performance information tied directly to your content. If you manage multiple channels, be sure the correct one is selected. Next, click Add. If it's your first time connecting, you may see an authorization window. Review the requested permissions and allow access so Looker Studio can read your YouTube analytics data. After a moment, the connector will attach to your report. On the right side of your screen, you'll see the YouTube Analytics data source details. Click it to open the schema panel. This is where you can review all available fields, dimensions, and metrics coming from YouTube. Look here for search-focused fields you'll use in your visuals, such as traffic source and search term-related dimensions, along with engagement metrics like views and watch time. If you don't immediately see the field you need, use the search box within the schema to quickly filter the list. From here, you're ready to work with your YouTube data inside the report. Remember to align your report's date range with your analysis window, and consider adding filters later to focus on YouTube search specifically. That's the full connection process. Open your report, switch to Edit, add the YouTube Analytics connector, choose Channel, authorize, and review the fields so you can highlight the search data that matters most.